If your laundry room has puddles, it's time to check your Kenmore washer. Don't call a plumber yet. Let's see if you can fix it yourself. First, unplug your washer. Safety comes first. Next, move the washer away from the wall so you can reach the back. Now, look for the drain pump. It's usually at the bottom front of your washer. Place a towel or small pan under the pump to catch any leftover water. Check the hoses connected to the pump. Are they tight? If not, use a screwdriver to tighten the clamps. Still leaking? The pump itself might be cracked or damaged. To remove it, loosen the screws or clips holding the pump in place. Take out the old pump and slide in the new one. Make sure all connections are secure. Reconnect the hoses. Double-check that everything is tight. Push the washer back, plug it in, and run a quick wash to check for leaks. If it's dry, you've done it. No more wet floors. For more easy home fixes, hit subscribe.